India tour of Sri Lanka 2026 first test and match schedule and match details. Both team playing 11. Number 1 Yashasvi Jaiswal, left-hand batsman. Number 2 KL Rahul, right-hand batsman, wicket-keeper. Number 3 Shubman Gill, captain, right-hand batsman. Number 4 Rishabh Pant, left-hand batsman. Number 5 Dhruv Jurel, wicket-keeper batsman. Number 6 Devdutt Padikkal, left-hand batsman. Number 7 Saran Jain, all-rounder spinner. Number 8 Ravindra Jadeja, all-rounder spinner. Number 9 Kuldeep Yadav, spinner. Number 10 Jasprit Bumrah, fast bowler, Yorker master. Number 11 Mohammad Siraj, Yorker king and master.